This is what you give me to work with. Well, honey, I've seen worse. We're gonna turn this sow's ear into a silk purse. We'll have you washed and dried, trimmed and polished till you glow with pride. Trust my recipe for instant pride. You'll bring honor to us all. Wait and see when we're through.
Boys will gladly go to war for you.
With good fortune
And a great hairdo.
you'll bring honor to us all.